Now we are looking ma 41 to 45 ma bar graph information ma. Bar graph shows the number of pens sold by four different companies. The number of pens sold by four different shopkeepers A, B, C, and D in 2015 and 2016. 2015 ma indicating blue color, 16 ma red color ma. Now find the average number of pens sold by C and D in both years ma. Question asking what is the average of C and D ma together. So C value ma D value total ma entirely ma 100 100 100 ma. Entirely ma 400. 400 ma 90 plus 72 ma 162 plus 62 ma 164 164 224 228 and 288 pa 288 plus 400 ma 688 pa 688 half nothing but ma 344 344 ma right ma. Next, find the ratio of the pens ma. Ratio of the pens sold by B and C together in 2015 to pens sold by B and C together in 2006 ma. Question asking ma ratio of B and C 2015 ma. B and C 2015 ma blue color ma 160 plus 190 ma 350 is to 2016 ma 178 172 ma, so that is also 350 ma. So 350 350 ma both are equal, nothing but ma the ratio is 1 is to 1. 43 ma number of pens sold by A and C together in 2016 are what percent more than those sold by B in 2015 ma. Question ma pens sold by A and C together in 2016 ma. Pens sold by A and C together 2016 ma, nothing but ma 168 plus 172 ma 170 170 ma 340. How much percent more than the B in 2015? B 2050 value ma 160. Compared to this ma how much percentage is more here ma. If you observe carefully ma 160 to 180 difference is 180 ma. Buying 160 into 100, here we can cancel 29 28 ma 9 by 8 ma 9 by 8 is 1 plus 1 by 8 ma, that means 1 by 8 nothing but 12.5 ma 112.5 112.5 ma option D. Option D ma 112.5. Next, 44 ma number of pens sold by ACD together in 2015 are how much more? Percentage not asking, how much more or less than the pens sold by these shopkeepers in 2016 ma. 2015 and 16 difference as ma ACD ma AC sorry ACD ma. For example, take it as ma A is less ma take negative. We can take entire values ma, otherwise we can take individual values ma. If A is less ma negative, what is the difference ma? Minus 10. In the case of C ma A is extra ma, so how much extra ma? Plus 18 plus 18 ma. Here ma less ma, how much less ma? Minus 2. So 18 minus 12 ma 6 difference. Option B. Option B ma. We can take the combined value ma. Next, 45. Find the total number of pens sold by all the shopkeepers in 2016 ma. 2016 total asking ma 2016 total asking ma 2016 ma. If you observe ma by observing unit digit, can we get any idea? Shall we see now ma? Unit digit ma 2016 ma 4 plus 2 ma 6 plus 8 14 plus 8 ma 22 22, but as a 2 as a last digit ma 3 options are there ma 3 options are there ma 2 ma 2 plus 6 ma 8 15 15 plus 7 ma 22 28, nothing but obviously 682 because 82 to end a option ma option C 682 ma. Next, difference between the simple interest received at 1.5 years at 24% per annum and received 3.5 years at 12% per annum, and the same sum is 1440, then find the sum find the sum. So in first case ma duration is 1.5 year ma 24 percentage, so for 1 year 24% ma overall ma 24 plus 12 ma 36 percentage interest in the first case. In the second case ma 12 percentage 3.5 years ma, every year 12 means for 3 years ma 36, so inko half and 60 ma 6 plus 6 ma 42 percentage. The difference is how much ma 6%. The 6% is equals to 1440. Then question asking what is the principal ma, what is the 1% ma 6 ones 6 twos 12 24 ma 6, 1 percentage is 240 ma 100% nothing but principal ma 24,000. Option A ma 24,000 ma. Next, find the total distance. Find the total distance covered by boat in still water in 8 hours. Speed of the boat upstream and downstream is 10 and 15 ma. Question asking ma total distance. Distance nothing but ma speed into time. Time clearly given ma 8 hours. Speed ma, speed he was saying that ma speed means find total distance covered by boat in still water ma. Still water ma, boat speed still water లో రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉంది మనకు. సో స్పీడ్ ఇన్ స్టిల్ వాటర్ అనేది బట్ డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ ప్లస్ అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ బై 2 నథింగ్ బట్ మా 10 plus 15 ma 25 by 2 2 fours. So what is the answer for 25 into 4 ma 100. Option D ma 100. Next, income of B is 8,000 more than the income of A. Saving of B is equal to expense of A. Expense of B is 80% of the income of A. Then find the difference between the expenditure of B and savings of A. He was talking regarding A, B, income, expense. Three quantities are here. So A, B, income, expense, and saving. Income, expense. So first income of B is 8,000 more than A. For example, if income is X ma, his income will be X plus 8,000. And saving of B is equal to expense of A ma. Saving of B, this saving of B is equal to expense of A. These two things are equal ma. These two things are equal. Next ma, one more condition ma. Saving of B is equal to expense of A, and expenditure of B is 80% of income of A ma. Expense of B, this is 80% of this thing ma. So 80% nothing but ma, it is 4/5 of X. 4/5 of X ma. So income X plus 8 దాంట్లో in that it is 4/5 ma. That means X minus 4/5 of X ma. So this will be 1/5 of X plus 8,000. That means it is the same. 1/5 of X plus 8,000. That means X, this will be what? X income minus X plus X minus 1 by X and 4/5 of X minus 8,000. Now we know the values. Question asking ma, difference asking, difference between the expense of B and saving of A. Question asking ma, difference between expense of B and saving of A. This difference asking. 4 by 5 X, 4 by X gets cancelled. What is the difference ma? 8,000. Difference is ma 8,000. Option C 8,000 rupees. Next, 49 ma. A is thrice as good as B. A is able to finish the work in 20 days less than B. In how many days B can finish ma? So A is thrice as good as B, nothing but their efficiency are in the ratio ma 3:1. That means their days ratio will be inverse 1:3. A was taking one part of this, B was taking three parts. One clue given ma. A able to finish 20 days less than A was taking two parts lesser than B ma. So two parts means 20 days. One part means ma 10 days. So 10 days, 30 days. Question asking ma in how many days B? B can finish the work in ma 30 days. 30 days ma option A. Option A ma 30 days. Right ma. Next. 50. Base of the right angle triangle having area of 90 is 3 centimeter more than its perpendicular. Base is 3 centimeters more than the perpendicular. Find the area of the square whose side is 80% of the base of the given triangle. Whenever actually area of triangle form, whenever base and height is going to half into base into height. So half into base into height is equals to 90. That means from that we'll get that B into H equal 90 into 2 180 because half into B into H. And given that base is 3 centimeters more than the perpendicular. For example, if H is H base will be H plus 3. Base into height equals to 180 ma. Just guess the values ma. No need to multiplication ma. Just the number and additional of 3 to that number will be 180 ma. Just think about factors of 180 ma. 12 15 ma 180. So it is 12. It is 15. Just guess the values that much only ma. So height is 12. Breadth is base is 15 ma. But find the area of square whose side is 80% of base. In this 80% is nothing but 12. Side 12, area 12 square ma 144. 144 means ma option not there ma, none of this ma. 144 not there ma, none of these. Right ma. Next. 51. The average age of Megha and Ritu is 18 ma. Average 18 means their sum will be 36. Megha and Ritu sum will be 36 years ma. 6 years hence, nothing but after, Megha will be 2 times of Ritu. Find the present age of Megha. Find the present age of Megha. So our options is Megha values ma. We go through options ma. As per first option, if Megha is 24, Ritu will be 12, because sum should be that is one. Shall we see whether the condition will satisfy or not? 6 years after, Megha will be 2 times. After 6 years, how much ma? 30. After 6 years ma? 18. It is not 2 times, so not suitable. Go for next option. As per next option, if Megha is 26, Ritu will be 10. After 6 years ma? 26 plus 6 ma? 32. 10 plus 6 ma? 16. For 16 is 2 times, so clearly satisfying the condition ma. So obviously which option? Option B. Option B is the answer. 52. Neeraj and Arun started a business by making investments in the ratio 3:5. After 4 months, Arun withdraws 1/5 of his initial investment. If the total annual profit was 880, find the profit share of Neeraj. So Neeraj not withdrawn, not add. So his capital 3 into 12 36. In the case of Arunma, started with 5 up to 4 months as it is 5 fours 20. After 4 months, 1/5 taken out ma. 5 low 1/5 withdrawal. 5 low nothing but 1. 1 taken out means balance 4 will be left ma. 4 into balance 8 months ma. 4 eights ma 32. So 36 is to 52. The profits are in the ratio ma 36 is to 52. Total ma 880, sorry, 88 parts. Total profit 880 ma. So nothing but 10 times ma. So it is 360. It is a 520. We require ma Neeraj's first person 360. Option B. Option B. Right ma. Next. In how many different ways can the letters of the word danger? So how many different ways ma? DANGR. No letter is repeated ma. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters ma. Nothing but we can arrange them ma 6 factorial ways. Obviously 720 ma. Next. 54 ma. In a 64 liters of mixture of milk and water, the ratio of water to milk is 3:5. If X liters of water is added to the mixture, so that the ratio of water to mix will becomes 5:8 ma. What is the value of X ma? So out of 64 liters ma, 3:5 ratio nothing but ma 8 parts. 8 parts 64 ante 1 part is 8. So it is 8 3 is 24, 8 5 is ma 40. Initially it was in this way, but X liters of water is added. After that the ratio is becoming 5:8. That means water మాత్రమే యాడ్ చేసారు, మిల్క్ యాడ్ చేయలేదు. సో మిల్క్ క్వాంటిటీ సేమ్. సో దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ 8 parts is equals to 40 liters. If 8 parts is 40 1 part will be 5. 5 parts will be 25. So this entire quantity should be 25 liters. Already 24 liters are there. That means we need to add only 1 liter. X value 1 liter. 1 liter Next. 55. What will be the single discount equivalent to two successive discounts of 25 and 24? Whenever successive discounts, we can use lot of methods. Very basic method, very simple method. X plus 5 plus 6. But both are discounts only. So both are negatives. Minus 25, minus 24. Minus into minus plus 25 into 24 by 100. 25 fours, 4, 6. Minus 49 plus 6 minus 43. It is my discount, that's why we are getting my negative value 43 percentage. Option B 43 percentage. Next here equations first one x square plus 12x 35 35 7 5 5 7 suitable 5 plus 7 12. X values minus 5 and minus 7. Y 20 and minus 4 and minus 5. Minus 5 is compared to minus 4 lesser, next equal. It is anyway lesser only. X less than or equals to y. Option C. Option C x less than or equals to y. Next. X square minus 15x plus 54. Y square minus 23y plus 132. 54 ma 9 6 are 54 minus 9 minus 6 ma minus 15 x values 9 and 6. 132 ma 11 12 11 and 12. No need to zima by observing these two compared to that one lesser only. X is less than y. X less than y ma option D. Next 6x square plus 5x plus 1 ma 6 1s are 6 3 2 is 6 ma 3 plus 2 5 3 plus 2 5. So x values minus 3 minus 2 by 6 by 6 ma. Second equation ma 15 to 30 ma 36 5 is 36 plus 5 ma 11. So minus 6 and minus 5 ma y values minus 6 and minus 5 by 15 by 15. It is 2 by 5. It is 1 by 3 ma 1 by 3 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 nothing but 50 percentage. There is ma 40 percentage, but in terms of negative ma, so it is less. 50 percentage ma 33.33 percentage ma less only. 33.33 percentage, it is 40% ma negatives, that's why greater. Whenever one lesser one greater, we can't say relation cannot be established. Relation cannot be established ma. X square minus 3x minus 28 ma y square minus y. Negative 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 ma, directly relation cannot be established. Relation can't be established. X square minus 2x minus 3 equals 0 ma minus 3 ma 3 ones are 3 minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 means answers 3 and minus 1. 6 ma 2 3 6 minus 2 minus 3 ma minus 2 minus 3. 3 is compared to both ma greater only. Minus 1 also compared to both ma greater. So x is greater than y. X greater than y, nothing but option B. Option B. Right ma. Next 61 to 65 ma number series ma. 6400 question mark 50 12.5 6.25 and 6.25 ma. If you observe ma here, from here to here ma into 1 into 2 into 4, that means double 1 2 4. Next should be 8 ma. If it is 8 ma 15 into 8 ma 400. 400 into 16 ma 64. So 400 nothing but ma option B. Option B ma 400. Next question mark 8 23 68 203 608. Right ma. If you observe difference ma 8, we can starting with 8 ma huge number is there 600. Think in multiplication ma 8 8 into 3 ma 24 minus 1. We can take it, write it as ma into 3 minus 1. We can write here also 23 into 3 ma 69 minus 1 into 3 180 and 204 minus 1 ma, it is also into 3 minus 1. The logic is ma into 3 minus 1. So something into 3 minus 1 is 8. Something into 3 minus 1 is 8 ma. If it is 4 4 is 12 minus 1 not. 5 ma 15 minus 1 not. 2 3 is 6 minus 1 not. 3 3 3 is 9 minus 1 ma 8. So 3 was satisfied ma. 3 3 is 9 minus 1 8. So option D. Option D ma. Next 115 119 128 153 323. So 115 to 119 ma, how much extra ma here? Plus 4. 119 to 128 ma plus 9. 130 and 23 25 ma. Squares ma, these are the 2 square 3 square 5 square, nothing but prime squares ma. Prime squares 2 3 5. Next should be 7 ma. 7 square ma 49. 153 plus 49 ma 199 202. Option A ma 202. Right. Next 243 258 276 297 321. All the numbers ma nearby each other only ma. See the difference. Here ma 7 plus 8 ma 15 difference is there. 58 60 and 16 18 difference is there ma. 76 86 96 21 difference. 21 24 difference ma. 24. So 3 3 gap ma. 24 21 18 15. So next should be 27. 321 plus 27 ma 348. Option C ma. Option C ma 348. Next 59 64 74 91 117. 59 to 64 ma. Here what is the difference ma? Plus 5 10. 74 to 91 ma 80 and 6 17 ma. 91 to 117 ma 17 plus 9 ma 26. 5 10 ma. If you observe the second difference ma, double difference. If you go for double difference ma, what is the difference? 5 7 9 5 7 9. So 5 7 9. Continue all numbers ma. Next should be 11. 26 plus 11 ma 37. So 117 plus 37 ma 140 154. 154 option B. Option B ma 154. Next 66 to 70 ma approximate values are given ma. Here ma 64.98 ma take it as ma 65 percentage. 65. It is ma 480 we can take it as ma. 65 percentage of 480 we can take ma. So 48 ma 65% we can take it as ma 50% plus 15%. Otherwise 60% plus 15%. So 5% ma. Our comfortable ma. 48 6 times ma 240 plus 48 ma 288 plus 24 ma. 288 24 ma 280 300 312 ma. 312 312 plus 175 ma 312 412 487 minus 350 ma. So 50 plus 87 ma 137. Option C. Option C. Next ma. 9.9 ma roughly take it as ma 10 square ma 100. It is 100 ma. That is ma 12 cube ma 100 plus 12 by 2. It is 12 by 2 nothing but ma 6 into 16 ma. 6 into 16 ma 96 plus 100 ma 196. Option A ma 196. 189.1 11.01 whole square 27.9 whole square ma. So it is ma 189 11 roughly take it as ma 11 square ma 121. 27.9 ma take it as 28 square ma 784. From the sum we should subtract the 412 ma. So it is ma 789 980 1000 1089 1094 ma 1094 minus 412 ma. 682. Option D ma. Option D ma 682. Next 379.98 plus 7.9 ma roughly take it as ma 8 ma. 8 square ma it is 64 ma. 380 plus 64 ma. 380 plus 64 ma 444 plus 901 ma. 444 becomes as minus ma. There is 901 if you go to this side ma becomes as minus 970. 970 minus 901 ma 69 will balance. 69 will balance ma. It is ma 380 plus 64 ma 444 minus 69 ma. So 44 both 14 minus 9 ma 5. 375 is option E ma. 375. Next 89.9 roughly take it as ma 90 percentage ma 90 percentage of 7000 ma nothing but ma 6300. 24 square ma by question mark, that is 24 square, that is 576 by question mark 6300. Sorry ma, here entirely it is in one bracket ma, divided by first preference ma bracket So it is 6300 plus 576 6876 6876 by question mark equal to 1719. We can take roughly also 1700 to 6800 mark. Obviously four times for option A. Option A 4 times. Next. Now again simplify earlier exact earlier approximate. Now we are looking at exact 4 cube 64 plus 324 64 plus 324 388. It is 7 square 49 50 70. Here 170 minus 73 nothing but 97. 97. By looking we'll get the idea of 4 times, because by multiplying with 4 last digit is 8. Option C. Next. Right 72. 2 4 by 11 it is a mixed fraction not 24 take it as 2 4 by 11 that is 2 4 by 11 into 1 5 by 13 into 2 2 by 9 is equals to 1 by 22 into question mark. So it is a mixed fraction. 2 4 by 11 by conversion of this 11 to 22 plus 4 26 by 11. 13 plus 5 18 by 13. 9 to the 18 plus 2 20 by 9. So it becomes as into 22 equals to question mark. Now here we can cancel 13 twos we can cancel 11 twos we can cancel 9 twos 2 to the 4 to the 8 into 20 160 answer 160 nothing but option E option E 160. 73 12% of 750 12% of 750 nothing but 10% plus 2% 75 plus 15 nothing but 90. 12.5% nothing but 1 by 8 1 by 8 means 60. 90 minus 60 30 becomes as minus 140 minus 30 110. Option C 110. Next. 40% of 260 26 4 times. 26 4 times nothing but 104. It is 104 plus 80 184. So 50% nothing but 1 by 2 184 double 368. 115 into 8 108 8 times 800 plus 120 920. 20% nothing but 1200. 1200 minus 920 280 Next 76 to 80. Given below is the line graph which shows the production of rice by 5 firms 2 consecutive years 2015 and 16 rice production 2015 indicating red color 2016 yellow color. What is the difference between the average of rice production firms P and S in 2015 and the average of rice production Q and T in same year? So P and S 2015 P and S 2015 red color 150 and 200 350 some and QT in same year QT red color 300 and 350 650. Difference 300 but we require average 300 by 2 nothing but 150. 150 option B 150. Next. 77 what is the ratio of rice produced by firm P and S in both years to the rice produced by firm R in 2015 and T in 2016 together? Question asking ratio P and S in both years. P and S in both years. P S it is 300 350 650 is to R 2015 R 2015 250 T 2016 250 250 250 500. Cancel 5 tens 5 13s 13 is to 10. Option D. Option D 13 is to 10. Next. Total rice produced by all firms in 2015 is what percent more or less? Percent more or less than the total rice produced by all firms in 2015 is how much percent more or less than 2015 red color 150 plus 450 500 700 900 1250. It is ma 2, 450, 850, 950, 10, 12. So more ma 2015 is compared to 2016 more 50 more 50 more 50 by 1200 into 100 zeros gets cancelled 50 by 12 nothing but 2 6 25 by 6 ma 25 by 6 nothing but ma option E ma 25 by 6. Next 79 ma, if the production of rice in 2017 by firm Q is increased by 20% over the previous year and that of firm T is increased by 100 by 7% over the 2015 ma. Then what is the sum of the rice of production both the firms Q and T in 2017 ma? So first thing ma, rise in 2017 we know 2016 bar 2017 firm Q increasing by 20% over the previous year bar. So Q 2016 value is 300 sorry 250 but 20% increase bar, that means extra 50 bar 250 plus 50 bar 300 2017 value 300 regarding Q. Next of the firm T is increasing by 100 by 7% over the 2015 ma. So T 2015 ma 2017 of T how it is ma 100 by 7% or 1/7 ma 100 by 7 nothing but 1/7 extra 2015 T value ma 350 1/7 of that ma 50 extra, that means 400. Question asking both the firms Q and T in 2007 ma sum, what is the sum ma 700 3 plus 4 ma 7 option C ma 700. Next 80 percentage decrease in the production of rice for the year 2016 over the previous year maximum for which firm ma? Rice of 2016 ma percentage decrease was maximum which year ma? Talking about ma 2016 ma nothing but yellow color ma that should be decrease undal as well as max undal. So 2016 ma yellow color increase here lot of decrease ma here also increase only there is ma yes obviously just ma observation ma, so no need to give observation ma yes